In this video, we're gonna learn about parts and types of fractions. Last time we discussed about how we're gonna write fractions. For example, if we will shade one part of it, this is equivalent to 1 over 4 fractions. Now we have to identify what are the parts of this fraction. So the number at the upper portion of the fraction, that is called the numerator. This is called the fraction bar. And the number below is called the denominator. Now, let's identify now what are the types of fractions. So we have 3. The first one is called the proper fraction. The second one is called the improper fraction. And the third one is called the mixed numbers. When we say proper fraction, the numerator is lower than the denominator. An example of that are 1 over 2, 2 over 4. If it's improper fraction, the numerator is higher than their denominator. Like for example, 3 over 2, 4 over 3, 6 over 2. So the numerator is higher than the denominator. Then when we say mixed number, it is a mix of whole number and a proper fraction. So like for example, 1 and 1/2, 2 and 1/4, those are examples of mixed numbers. Now, let's try converting improper fraction to mixed number. For example, 3 over 2 is an improper fraction. To simplify, we have to convert it to mixed number. So how are we gonna do that? This is also equivalent to 3 divided by 2, right? So let's try dividing 3 divided by 2 using the long division method. 3 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So therefore, we can write it to a mixed number of 1 and 1/2. So the remainder should be on top. Then we have to copy the divisor. So the correct answer is 1 and 1/2. Let's try another example. Example 2. Let's try 5 over 2. Convert to mixed fraction. So let's divide 5 divided by 2. So there are 2 in 5. So 2 times 2 is 4 minus 1. So this is the whole number, 2. Then the remainder should be the numerator. Then copy the divisor, which is 2. For your assignment, convert this mixed number into improper fraction. 3 and 1/5. And comment down below your answer. That's it for today. I hope you learned for today's lessons.